Cyber extortion through private screenshots, often termed sextortion, involves cybercriminals threatening to release sensitive content unless demands are met. Extortion occurs when hackers manipulate private data through phishing, malware, or weak account security, leading to blackmail. A London woman was blackmailed into paying £5,000 after hackers got explicit images she shared. Help from law enforcement followed. In New York, a woman shared intimate photos with a fake acquaintance, facing a $3,000 Bitcoin demand. She reported it, spurring an investigation. In Germany, a woman had her private screenshots stolen via spyware, and the hacker lied about sharing them with her friends. Phishing scams trick victims into revealing credentials, while malware collects sensitive data and weak passwords increase vulnerability. Use strong passwords, avoid interacting with strangers, and secure your devices. Report incidents to local authorities. Cyber extortion preys on fear and manipulation. Stay informed and adopt robust security practices to lessen your risk. If you've faced cyber extortion or privacy issues, share in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more online safety tips.